Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on Bumble weekly on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window, you will search about Bumble and you will click here. In this page, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on Clear Cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.